All right, so we're learning a new equation today. It's called point slope form, and we're just going to start off real slow with this and just learn the form today. We're really not going to do a lot with it as far as graphing or changing between forms or even do a lot of operations. Basically, all we're going to do today is substitute the information into the new equation form. So the point, so far what we've learned, the basic two equations that we know are standard form, ax plus by equals c, and we know slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. We also learned standard deviation, which is a type of slope-intercept form, not standard deviation, standard direct variation. Thank you. That's a whole different thing. Direct variation is a type of slope-intercept. We also talked about constant. What was that one? Constant
variation.
Proportionality.
No, that had to do with direct variation. Constant form where it was y equals b or whatever. Y equals y equals b, where it's just a horizontal line because the slope was 0. I'll have to look back. I can't remember the name. I forgot what it was.
Constant
Nope.
standard form.
Nope. All right. So today we are looking at point slope form, and this is the form that it takes. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And so the y and the x are just like we're used to seeing in slope-intercept form, right? It has a y equals mx plus b. So we're used to having a y and an x in our equation. Where are we used to seeing a y1 and an x1? In slope formula, right? Slope formula has a y1, a y2, an x1, an x2. And so where do we get the y1 and the x1 from? From an ordered pair. So we're going to have an ordered pair that gives us the y1 and the x1 to plug into the formula. And we're going to have the slope to plug into the formula, okay? And that's where we get the term point slope form, because we're going to have a point, which is an ordered pair, to give us the x1, y1, and we're going to have the slope to give us the m. We don't have a y-intercept yet. We're going to work towards that. That's what we'll be doing in the next couple of days. We're going to take this form and start working towards building more information into it. Today, all we're doing today is substitution. We're substituting values into the new formula, okay? So write an equation in point slope form for the line that passes through 2, 4 with a slope of 6. I even color coded the slide. Yours, it doesn't print for you on your slides, but on the screen you can see it. So y minus
4.
y1 is 4 equals 6 times
X minus 2.
x minus 2.
We just solved it.
That, and we're not even doing that today. We're not distributing, we're not simplifying, we're not doing anything. All we're doing is substituting today. All we're doing today is substituting. Promise. That's it. This is all we're doing. Okay. I'm telling you, we're starting off slow with this. It's a brand new concept. I want to start off slow. So this is the next slide. Y minus 7 equals 2 times x minus 3. You with me? Okay. All right. Next slide. So it is y minus 7 equals 2 times x plus 4. Good, because you caught the negative. Since it's minus -4, it would be plus 4. Okay, awesome. Next slide. It's the same thing. Oh, it's the same. Whoops, sorry. Doubled up on a slide. We'll skip it. All right, so y equal, oh no, wow. Y minus 6 equals
2 times X
minus 1. Awesome. Okay. Next slide. Y minus 5
4 times X minus 4.
x minus 4. Next slide.
Plus 4.
Plus 4, since it's a negative, equals
X plus 6.
x plus 6. I like it.
Yes.
I like it. You like this one? Okay, good.
Let's do this every day.
All right. Y equals.
No, y minus.
Thank you. Man, I can't catch you guys on this. Y minus
11
11 equals
X plus 15.
x plus 15. All right, last one. Y minus 4 equals
2 X
Plus.
plus
I really like
The end.
this.
okay. And so that is
That was
the lesson. All right.
really know it's
And I really,
easiest one.
hey, I even forgot to put the slide at the end. I've got a worksheet for you that all you have to do is make these substitutions. So that is the homework for today.